Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Martin here. In this video I'm going to show us this arbitrage platform that I found very useful, and I'm going to take you through on how to sign up and set up your account on this arbitrage system without card. You don't need to use your ATM card or any other form of cards to start trading on this platform I'm going to introduce to you. So without any further ado, let's go straight to the tutorial. So the name of the arbitrage platform I'm going to show us is called Now2trade. Now, you may ask, what is Now2trade? Now2trade is a Bitcoin arbitrage platform that enables you to trade, or a crypto arbitrage platform that enables you to trade Bitcoin, live Bitcoin, comparing to exchanges. So how does it work? Now, it brings two exchanges pair to pair. You buy, and the system will automatically buy for you at the low exchange and sell for you at the higher exchange. Then the difference will not be your profit. So it sounds so exciting, right? So guys, I don't want to overbug you. Let's go straight to this tutorial. So what you do, I'm going to drop the link to this website on my description box and also on my Telegram. So if you are not following me on Telegram, please do follow me, because I'll be dropping a lot of useful content that will help you make money online and also improve your crypto portfolios. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do me free to subscribe to support this channel grow. As we grow, you also grow. Thank you so much, guys. So I'm going to take you through the account creation process. The reason why I would suggest you use my link is that there are a lot of links out there that might not be the real Now2trade link. So, but if you use my own platform, my own link, you'll be well guaranteed that you are clicking on the original link. So, I'm going to open the account. I put my name there. So, I change my country. My country code is 234. So, I'll choose a password. So I accept terms and conditions and click on sign up. So a verification will be sent to my email. So upon registration, a verification will be sent to your email. So just open your email and copy the verification code. So if you are not using system, you can use your phone as well to set up your account. So I'll just paste my verification code, then click on confirm. So you have successfully verified your account. So I've successfully verified my account. So you can see the prices of coins. So what I'm going to do now is to log in. Click on login. It's a new asset loaded. Doge Litecoin has been loaded. So what this implies that, before now, when this system was up, it's only accept BTC for deposit, and let's assume you are depositing from Binance. Binance charge around $20 to $25 per transaction, so which is very huge. So that's why after a few updates, they decided to add Doge and Litecoin to minimize deposit costs. So it's a great one from them, great improvement. So you can see this is the home button, the timer, and this is the wallet. So we're going to click on the wallet. You can see at the moment you can only deposit, and you can deposit with this Litecoin and Doge and Bitcoin, but you can only withdraw from BTC. Reason being that the Now2trade transactions are only processed using BTC. So, but now we're not going to use, we're not going to fund with BTC because the transaction fee is very high. So we're going to fund with Dogecoin or Litecoin, but I'm going to choose. So very soon they will be adding Ethereum. It says this coin currently disabled. So click on deposit. So we're going to deposit. Okay, first of all, I'm going to create wallet for the 3 coins. So I'll close it. I'll click on deposit on BTC, create wallet. So you can do that as well. Come here, click on deposit, click on create wallet. So I've already created the 3 wallets. So we're going to fund our Dodge. So click on Dodge. Okay, let's say money withdrawal account. There is no recipient account defined for BTC. Define recipient. Okay. So click on deposit. So you copy this Dodge address. Now I'm going to log into my Binance account. So I'm going to fund this account using my Binance. So close it, Dodge. So I'll go back to my Binance, locate my Dodge. I still have a Dodge on my account. I've already purchased Dodge. So you can see my Dodge. So I just click on withdraw. Then now asks me, I want to withdraw Dodge, new address. I paste the address, my Now2trade address. You can see how many Dodge I'm going to put max. That is 61 by 61. Then click on. So you see the transaction fee is going to cost me 5 Dodge, which is very minimal, less than. I'm going to check it out later, but let's proceed. So you can see, I just click on withdraw. You see, ensure that the address you are withdrawing to, yes, click continue. Then I'll approve this transaction. The code has been sent to my email, so I'll just go to my email and see. So I'll copy it to authenticate this transaction. So paste it. So let me check my message box. I'll click on submit. So withdrawal request submitted. 5 Dodge was charged. Awaiting approval. Complete. So it's waiting approval. Once it's approved, our Dodge balance will reflect here. So let's see the value for 5 Dodge as we charge. Okay, so let's search for Dodge. Dodge USDT. Let's see. Okay, let's 5 Dodge. You see, 5 Dodge is around 80, well, around 80 cents. 30 cents is 0.8030 cents. So it's very minimal, less than $1 compared to when you are sending using BTC, which costs around $20 to $25. So you can see, let's refresh and see if okay, if our Dodge has arrived. Okay, you can see it's a deposit to your account is waiting for blockchain approval, 0 of 10. So waiting for approval. Once it passes approval, it will reflect there. You can see processing. The same step to proceed. You can see the transaction confirmation 0 of, should be more than that. Let's refresh and see. So I'm going to pause this video till the confirmation process is complete. So guys, you can see completed. This transaction is completed. So let's log into our Now2trade. Let's log into Now2trade. Let's refresh and see if it has reflected on our Now2trade. Okay. So go to wallet. Okay, not available yet. So it's still processing. So before that, let me just navigate to this, the dashboard. This is the transactions. No arbitrage yet, so I've not done any arbitrage yet. Come here, you can see it's a fresh account. This is a dashboard. This is my log. You know, you see I created Dodge wallet, created BTC, LTC wallet. So these are the logs. This is financial history. I'm not done any arbitrage. You can see, wow, 375.45331625 Dodge deposited on your account. So guys, it has reflected. This amount of Dodge is around 60.2 60.2250 USDT. So this is the wallet. You can go to your wallet from here too. You can see balance of my Doge is this. So you can see references. So this is where you can get your referral link. So this is my referral link. So I'm going to drop this link for you so that you'll be able to register through this link. Make sure you register through this link just to support us and to also save you from, using the wrong Now2trade platform to trade. So that is it. So I click on wallet. So now we're going to convert, because Now2trade doesn't do arbitrage with Dogecoin or Litecoin. It only enables you to deposit. So we're going to swap or exchange this Doge to BTC. So just click on change BTC. You can see this is the value 0.0000 BTC per Doge. So this amount of BTC we're going to get. So if you're okay with it, just click on exchange now. Wait it to process. Once it process, okay, Doge successfully converted to BTC. So you can see we have 0 Doge and we have 0.0145676 BTC. So guys, you can see you can withdraw, you can deposit again. But what we're going to do now, you see this place, exchanges. So you can see you can trade with 25% of your funds, you can trade with 50%, you can trade with 75%, you can trade with 100% of your capital. So we want to trade with 100% of my capital. So what you're going to do, if you're watching now, you see sell order, buy order. So you're going to exchange. What you'll be looking at for is this currency difference, and make sure it's above 400 for it to maximize profit. So once it's above 400, we can click on start. So we're watching it. It refreshes over time. You see now it has refreshed. So if you're watching, just put an eye on it, ensure that it's within, you see, it refreshes 400 and above, or 350 and above is okay. But for it to get maximum profit, it should be around 400 and above. But if you can't wait for it to get to 400 and above, then just click and proceed. So you can see what you are putting an eye on is this currency difference. This guy here. So we are watching. So what this implies is that if you're able to trade with exactly 1 BTC, which is 41.300 BTC, you are going to make a profit of 202.80 per BTC. So if you can do this, let's say you do this 5 times in a day, that means you'll be making about $1,000. So we are watching it out. Once it's 4 on the dot, we click. Fast finger. This all go fast finger, man. Okay, it's getting closer. Okay, you can see, guys, I was able to get it at 420. So you can see, based on the capital I had, this is a profit I'm going to get at the end of this transaction. So you see, I'm going to get 42 cents at the end of this transaction. You can see it completes a circle within 4 hours interval. So after 4 hours it stops. So if you can come back again and do the process again and again. So if you can do it for 4 hours times 5, that is 20 hours. If you can do it for 4, or if you can do it for the 6 hours, that is 4 times 6, that is 24 hours. So 6 times in a day. Let's assume you're able to get this 42 multiplied by 6. That is $2.5. So if you can do it 6 times in a day, in one day you can get 6.5 $52. So multiply this by 7 days, or let's multiply this by 30. 0.42 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 30 days. So at the end of the month, I'm going to get $75.6 for an investment of $60.225. You can see this is over 100%, about 115% or thereabout on investment. So imagine if you added $500 to this, or less you added $600 multiplied by 10. That is, you're going to get $756 at the end of the month. Now, let's assume you put $1,200, you'll be getting $1,512 if you're able to complete the 6 circle for the day. So that is it, guys. You can see it's very lucrative. You have nothing to lose because it buys low and sell high. So it's been automated. The system is being automated. So there's nothing to fear about, guys. So I've showed us to, if you want to cash out, how to cash out. I'm going to do a video on how to cash out at the end of in 7 days time. So by the time I've gathered a little profit from this $60 investment, I'm going to do a video on how to withdraw, or my withdrawal proof. So guys, just key in. If you don't want to invest much, you can put a little amount to test the system, to see how the system operates. Then before you now make your final decision on the amount to invest on, or invest in the platform. From here now, we added. So if you do minus 60.2250, so normally they deduct 30% from the transaction. So guys, for each transaction, each profit you make, they deduct 30%. So they have removed their own 30%. That's why you are seeing this amount here. If not, it's supposed to be, if you add 30% of this, it's supposed to be more than this. So that is how it operates. This is how to set up your Now2trade account, initiate your first trade, fund your account, and start making money on a daily basis. So after 4 hours, I'll come back, repeat the process. After another 4 hours, you can come back again, then repeat the process till, you know, every day. And what I will encourage Now2trade is to see a way of automating this system until someone decides to stop. I think that will help a lot in this platform. So once you click on start, it will be automated circle. After each circle, after each transaction or each process, it goes to another circle and keep going and keep going.